The bombers begin the invasion blow. Great air fleets hitting German defenses. Smoke bombs are used for guidance as thousands of tons of high explosives rain down, smashing Nazi transport and fortifications in preparation for the second front landings. Watch, a road junction is hit. A strategic bridge knocked out by precision bombing. Down to the docks of southern British ports, the invasion troops go streaming. These are pictures of the historical record showing the embarkation of the striking force of American, British, and Canadians. Barrage balloons are up, protection against enemy planes, and the troops go aboard the ships of the greatest armada that ever struck at a hostile shore. For the seaborne assault, the Allies have massed 4,000 ships, which start on their epic voyage to the coast of France. The great convoys steam through the English Channel. The landing craft crammed with soldiers, tough and hardened fighting men. The mighty armada as seen from above is a weaving pattern of ships. Those 4,000 ships as they steam for the coast of Normandy. This is the greatest amphibious operation in military history. A stroke of war that many thought impossible, especially the Germans. Landings have always been regarded as one of the most difficult and perilous tasks of war. And the German Atlantic Wall seen there was powerfully fortified. From the ships, they swarmed down to smaller craft with a dash to shore. There's hostile fire now. The boats reply and men duck for cover. Now the moment of suspense, when the men leave the boats for the shore. At this point, enemy resistance has been smashed, and the soldiers scramble to the beach for a speedy seizure of the points assigned them. At the base of a cliff, troops push along to attack enemy positions and bring out their wounded. Motion picture record of the ordeal of the battle for the beaches. Rough water and rough weather, and it's tricky work for the men whose task it is to get the masses of mechanized equipment ashore. But they make it, the equipment for successful drives. Air power strikes endlessly, railroads hit. The Nazi train is struck, and the locomotive and munitions blow up. The second front. The Allies are fighting in France, liberating France. They're firmly established and stage a forward drive, thrusting inland against heavy enemy opposition. Much bitter fighting remains to be done, but the beginning has successfully been made. They did their part, let's do ours. Buy more bonds as the invasion goes on.